Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. Today, we're going to show how you can do a point-in-time restore from a backup of a MySQL HeatWave instance. In Oracle Cloud, click that hamburger menu. In the search bar, start typing MySQL, and then click the DB Systems MySQL HeatWave link. When the list loads, select the instance you want to restore. Here, we're going to use MySQL Shorts. On the Details page, scroll down until you see the Backups link on the left-hand side, and then click it. After the backup list loads, click the backup that you want to restore. We're going to use the backup that was created on February 22nd. On the Backup Details page, click the Restore to New DB System button. On the next page, click Restore DB System to a point in time. Next, click the radio button next to Select a specific point in time. Enter the date and time we want to restore to using the proper format. Also, remember, the time is in UTC. Scroll down and give our new instance a name. In this case, we're using point in time restore. As we scroll down, we're going to keep all the same settings that existed in the source database instance. And then we're going to click the Restore button. Now we just have to wait a few minutes. Once the instance shows as active, it's ready to be used. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.